Members of the Meghalaya Joint Action Committee of Commercial Vehicles, under the leadership of its chairman Wandonbog Jirwa, had on the 22nd of March 2022 addressed reporters on their concern over traffic congestion within Shillong city. Briefing the media, Jirwa, while appealing to the general public to allow students of classes 10 and 12 to board taxis on the examination days scheduled to start on the 24th of March 2022, also informed that a recent meeting convened by the committee decided that any taxi caught rejecting the boarding of students while on their way to respective examination centers, action would be taken by the committee against such drivers and vehicle owners. Therefore, the JAC urged upon the public and especially students to take pictures of all commercial vehicles that fail to ferry them to exam centers and submit them to the committee for necessary action.
Nagalian kejungi hi kum kaseng jong Meghalaya Joint Action Committee of Commercial Vehicle ni ladap ane syang perkhat highway day bakane ke jeng dhang kali hang ni ko sorslo khamtam ki nagalian ki bahayeng bahasam jong kitu ki khna ki ban saya khun nak banta kani ke exam final kamar ka class 12 ko ka class 10 nak banta ka absol trip ti ki pan jeng absol nam ta ka absol trip ti pan jeng mut nangi ki ong ba la kunu tak di ban lai te ngi la sim ye ko ga rai kum ka joint action hi kalong bangi kentu ya baro pat nong song snong ka bri nyo trip ba kim dei ba kin ye kni kali ba ki khna school khamtam ha kane ka samoy maki pen khre mane baki khun nam ta kani ka examine ga jongki but ki deban ala choi gi khna bakin ki ha ki kali kamai ga jongki bakin poi biang por ha ki jaka mane ha ki center ga ki exam kata ka dei ka bangi kentu ni ka pat ye ki pat ba nang song snong jong ka bri neutra bi bro we but kunjuru ni maham bat ni hukum ya ki nong ya kali ba kim dei ban kentat ban ket ni khna school khamtam ha ka kini kisngi ki ba mata ki ba maki kinang dam kam ya kata ba kin ai mensim kelut no kan long khamnya ya jumut khat jumi khna maki khang maki nak ban thok ba ha kani ke examen ke ba mata usna marjar apwa te ngi kentu par ni maham ru ekti driver lada kim ket kin suyang kai ha ki jaka yang ki jongki lada kilap kinu kri padba kin shondor ya ki kali lada ki dei ki jongi ne kim dei ki jongi ru na kalyang jongi kalau sim dei ki action mo but mde ngin sim action tang ye ki to ki driver ngin sim action ru ba di ki try ki mo kata ka dei ka jing maham ka jongi ya ki barok kinong nya kali nadu ki kaliret adu ki kali he ki ba dei hi commercial vehicle.
On being asked about the committee's knowledge of another organization of the same nature operating within the city, Jirwa responded by terming them as black sheep and denied any recognition of them or their activities.
Habide bakane kunhun ka mi menta ne ngiru ngimdan singtep bat ngim itho hiru yaki dalele ru ngim itho namar ba kidei tang ka kunhun jong kinong nya kali mo kadai tang kunhun jong kinong nya kali te kumansong no ngi tingim dam jing itho yaki bar ka jingmi ka jong kiru kadai be thik tang nang menta kata ka by sticker kadai kami be thik tang sticker be issue pulet nagliang jong ngi khang ye ketu stickers na kata ba penlong anya ya ka vaccination certificate kata kadai ka ba ngi khang ka ba pa kalong ba ki collect sispa sanphau nakliang USP collect sispa sanphau without receipt ya ketu stickers nalor bala depan biang lut ya ki documents baro tengi pada ngi om ba hauna Januari hi haka ngili banyak kedo namar ba kadai kejing penting kok tempan nakliang ki armu ki hedo jongka jalami kene kata kalong ba nakliang prostul tersam berkodat sama wong ba lada ka kieu ka kis nam tak ni thatwi kalong ba ngin la ban ai lockdown biang ha ki banai ki banwan tengi pada ngi om bangil amat arsil ni syam jing bangin ai jing rap iki nong nya kali jing tingi li kran mutual understanding now but ka police department ling ba bayan swear bolong di DSP traffic ni ong ba kalong nomlong ba ngiru ngilum nong no sampul tang ka sisnam na kita kali wong ba kata mla tenrei lada manging li kerpar ki ong ba mlong tenrei lada lum bean pan na kaliang bayan swear kalong tekini kisang badik bami mentaru kidai kiseng kiba labnong no kajong no la su thu hing tam dam kami banda pensai banget namar ba ngiru kita ngim itu bat had kala donro kaba kabenta kaba kipenon kam da ki buar jaka yakini kikenhon bat hado kam tahi ngim jeng itu bat ke kaba pensu thu bakla man tawa di kitrai mo kuma kram jenas ke tri jongka tu ga seng ginong yak pri tu senjuk ayura kabana cumi mana kene mo kan ka seng jong kilang yong ngin beto kalong ba ki ang nasi spa arpo tengka kikit haka sitrip up down aspa sao po temta kitrai kali yengi kila kali balik pa kiwan rakbay kamay tang sans pa aksis ni kababon kamu kila ayo active driver kajingi menta long haka so ha kade kajongki haka so si kende kajongki trai kila bon kitrai kali kulawan uot yengi kata